I'm Ashley Starling and welcome to the Willis Spangler Starling Weekly Winter Safety Tip. Today we are talking about holiday travel and keeping an emergency kit in the back of your vehicle. In case you are in an automobile accident or you have an issue with your car, it's good to keep some basic items just in case you need them. So I'm going to show you what's in the back of my kit. First and foremost, I have some blankets back here. I have 4 of them because there are 4 people in my family. They cost me about $5. They're really good to have because if your car is disabled, it's cold, you're not able to turn on the heat, it's good to have blankets. In addition, I have a first aid kit. It's pretty basic stuff, but I can help with minor cuts, abrasions, and minor burns. In addition, I also have several of these super cool tools throughout my car. This one's it's by Swiss Tech, and it's a 5-in-1 emergency tool. You can break glass if you need to exit a vehicle. You can also cut seat belts, which is pretty awesome. It also has a sonic alarm. It has LED flashers, and it's got an LED flashlight as well. So the great thing is you can use it to get everything you need, but you can also use it as an emergency flasher. In addition, keeping something you can light. So I don't do well with matches, so I just have a candle lighter, but just in case I need it, I have that. You'll also notice I have bottles of water in here. So just in case we're someplace for an extended period, I do have some food, I do have some bottles of water. If you have small children that are using diapers, it's good to throw a few extra diapers and formula in there as well. But then, if you do have cell phone service, but you're running out of battery, I also have one of these battery packs. They cost about $5, but you can plug it into any phone and you get an extra hour of charge so you can call the people that you need to call. I also have an extra cord in there as well. So you'll notice I don't have anything in here to try to repair any type of vehicle. That's not my goal with this. My goal is just to make sure that I'm safe and that my passengers are safe, just in case we are sitting on the side of the road for a long period of time. And again, I'm Ashley Starling, and this is the Willis Spangler Starling Weekly Winter Safety Tip. If you are injured in an automobile accident, give us a call at 614-586-7900 or check out our website at www.willisattorneys.com. And also, if you like this video, please make sure to like and share it. Thanks so much.